For patients who have predominantly snoring without obstructive sleep apnea syndrome, if the patient is overweight, then a weight reduction program is advised, failure of which we can do numerous techniques to stiffen the soft palate. The techniques are numerous and depends on the preferred technique of the surgeon, where his experience will guide him on the choice of procedure to stiffen and widen the oropharynx. For patients who have snoring with significant obstructive sleep apnea syndrome, I would advise that every patient under these conditions have a trial of nasal CPAP. Now, nasal CPAP is when the patient sleeps and has a mask over the nose, mouth, or a mask that covers the nose and the mouth and is connected by a tubing to a small machine the size of your palm that compresses atmospheric air and sends this air under pressure through the nose and the upper airway to splint the upper airway and keep the upper airway open. For patients who can use it, the snoring disappears instantaneously and reverses the obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. The choice of the mask is one of the predetermining factors of whether nasal CPAP is successful or not. The problem with nasal CPAP is that many patients cannot tolerate sleeping with a mask, or they get very impatient and don't like the use of a nasal CPAP. For patients who can use it successfully, that is the method of choice to reverse and control obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. Results are excellent as long as the patient sleeps with a nasal CPAP. However, nasal CPAP does not cure obstructive sleep apnea syndrome, which means if you do not use a nasal CPAP, you're back to square one and you will obstruct throughout the whole night. These nasal CPAP machines can be carried with you when you go on holiday or if you go on a business trip, and it gives an excellent result for those who are able to tolerate the use of nasal CPAP. There is a significant majority of patients who do not tolerate nasal CPAP or who stop using nasal CPAP after a while and want a more definitive solution.